A very good morning for all the students of Standard 5. Here Mano, I am going to handle English for your classes for this academic year. I hope you all go through the poem which was sent by myself on yesterday, that is Beyond the Universe. From the title itself, we come to know that the whole poem is about the universe. In the first stanza of the poem, the poet says that he had a dream. In that dream, he was flying beyond the earth, and then he was admiring the planets and countless stars. Next lines he says that when he's flying, that time he was stopped by one planet that is called Mars, which is otherwise known as red planet because of its nature. And he also mentioned Mars as a home away from home, because we all know that the human beings were doing some researches, and we hope that there is a chance for humans to live on the planet Mars. That is why he mentioned Mars as a home away from a home. In the second stanza, he talks about another two planets. First, he stops at the planet Saturn. He mentioned that the Saturn was having a ring and moons. Then he stopped by the planet Jupiter, and he says that Jupiter is a marvel one, because he was so shocked to see the big planet, one of the biggest planet in the solar system. And he also mentioned that it was looked like a red storms that appears as the marbles to his eyes. That is about the second stanza. In the third stanza, he says that further he was flying high, he was disturbed. That's why he said that is hurtling. Hurtling means he was just disturbed by the belt of asteroids to reach the Uranus. Okay. After flying across the belt of asteroids, it is easy for him to reach the Uranus without any fuss. Fuss means without any disturbance. He easily went on to the Uranus. Then he says that he was lost by the planet Neptune, and mentioned Neptune as the blue-eyed giant. Though it was blue in nature and it was cold, he says that it was the blue-eyed giant. And he again says he just keep on flying to the next level. Then at the last stanza, he says that he wants to meet the Creator. He wants to move across the Milky Way. He wants to move across the galaxies in order to meet the Creator of this magnificent display. Okay, he was unbelievable to see all this display which was just seeing by himself beyond the universe. So he says that I want to meet the Creator. So I want to move further high in his flying. That is about the poem Beyond the Universe. I hope you all understand. If you have any doubt, please let me know, and thank you.